Are you looking to build your business credit like a boss? Well, you're in luck. I've created this awesome ebook where you can learn how to build business credit and get over $500,000 in business funding. It's on sale right now, $40 on sale. Original price is $125. I am giving you guys this at a highly discounted price, but only 100 copies will be sold at this price. Click the link in the description below or in the pinned comments. You are already a boss, so why not get that business credit like a boss? Hey credit cousins, before you watch this video, make sure you click the link in the bio and also in the pinned comments to join this amazing group that I have created for you guys. It is a group that we can talk about almost everything you want to talk about, from Navy Federal, investing, how to build business credit, how to build credit, how to repair your credit, and so much more. Click the link in the bio and enter your name and email address, and watch out for an invite via email. So hurry, don't forget to sign up. Hi everyone, it's your girl designer Soapbox, and today I am back with another video. So in today's video, we're going to talk about how you can delete your student loans. Yes, your student loans. A video that you guys have all been waiting for, and I'm here to bring you guys some information that may be beneficial to you. So let's go over to my computer and I'll show you the steps on how you can remove your student loans. Stay tuned. So how to delete your student loans? Let's dive right in. So first, how to delete your student loans. We're going to talk about the Borrower's Defense Against Repayment program, such as the BDAR. Okay, and what this is if your school has misled you or engaged in other misconduct in violation of certain state laws, you may be eligible for Borrower Defense to Loan Repayment Forgiveness. Okay, so this is the forgiveness of some or all of your federal student loan debt. And this BDAR discharge are only available for federal student loans. So if you have federal student loans, then stay tuned. Now you may be like, well, I don't know if my school has misled me or engaged in any misconduct or violation. Don't worry, guys. If you don't know, there has been cases that have already been filed and people have already gotten their loans forgiven or deleted. So though sometimes the work has been done for you, you just have to, find the information, because you never know. So this is basically going to be a video on what this program is about, and also show you some schools that are engaged in this lawsuit and that will delete your student loans. Okay, so the first steps to fill out this application is to go to studentaid.gov/borrow-defense, and you will either need your FAFSA information, okay, or if you're a current student, or remember that, or download the PDF form, fill it out, and send it out via mail. Apply if you believe your school has misled you or engaged in other misconduct. So I will give you a link to find out more information about your school, and I will give a link down below about if your school has been engaged in other misconduct. If it has, then you need to go and read up on that lawsuit. And if you feel like, you have been also in that type of lawsuit, fill out the information. You'll never know until you read the information, read their lawsuit, and see if they misled you in the same category. This could be forgiveness of some or all of your student loan debt, depending where you took out that federal student loan at. Okay, so things that you may need to support your case when filling out this defense borrows program. You'll need transcripts to basically prove that you went to the school, enrollment agreements, promotional materials from your school, communications with school officials or employees or third party to which the information has been reported. You can use your student manual, your course catalog, legal documents, findings or determination made by government entities, copies of the information that was reported to a third party and that you saw, and also any other documentation you believe supports your application. Okay, so I'm going to dive right into how to show any misled in conduct. Now, specific details you can include in your application. What were you told? Write it down exactly as it was presented. So for example, if you took out a loan based off what the school had told you, and you only took out a loan because of what the school had told you, but they didn't, reach up to those expectations, and you were misled, let them know exactly what you were told and why you took out that loan. Let them know who told you that. Let them know what is the rank, name, title, position of the person who made the claim or promise to you. And when did this happen? What is the exact date that the false statement, promise, or claim has made to you? Mention a date, not a period of time. Where did this happen? Where were you when you heard this false statement? Were you on campus, at a recruiting event, at home, and sitting in front of your computer? Now, this has happened a lot. Tons of false statements, promises, and claims has been made for that you can take out that loan or you can go to that school so you become in debt. So think back on this if you're, in school as well. Also, reflect on how it was conveyed. Were you told this over the phone, in person, via email, text message, or instant message? Did you see it on TV or did you hear it on radio? Okay. Finally, how did this statement impact your decision to borrow money to attend this school? Would you have taken out those loans if you haven't been told this? So this is how you can show misled in conduct to basically support your claim. Here are some misled common issues that I've done research on that I found that are easy to get removed when if this happened to you. So you could file for a school closing discharge if your school closed without a warning. Now, this is very common because due to COVID, a lot of schools has been closed and they did not open back up. And if you were in school during this time and they just closed out of nowhere, you can get your student loans deleted. This is under the lawsuit and you can support that claim. Okay. Make sure you have emails, text messages, anything that support that claim added to the application. So here is a company that is actually under a lawsuit. So if you are with this company, you may can get this loan deleted from your account. So last month, a federal administrative law judge ruled that Navient must repay the government over $22 million for allegedly overcharging the Department of Education for student loan subsidies. And student loan borrowers tried to force Navient into a involuntary bankruptcy for allegedly charging borrowers for student loans that have already been discharged. A judge last week dismissed that suit, which Navient had claimed was frivolous. So if you have Navient, you file for a DBAR and make sure that you let them know, you have that and you're aware of this lawsuit. Let them know because they're deleting them. They are deleting them. Common schools that do delete and that's under this lawsuit and that has, basically misled a lot of their students. University of Phoenix, the Art Institute, the Westwood College, the Walden University, the Capella University, the ITT Tech, the Corinthian Colleges, the Everest College, the Held College, the YO Tech. Now, please forgive me if I'm not pronouncing these correctly. The Lee Cordon Bleu, the Kaplan University, the Anthem College, the Brown Mackey College, and Full Sail University. So there are more, but these are common schools that delete. So obviously, if you have these schools, look up these lawsuits and read on it. So also there's other schools, but these are the common schools that delete because they are already in a lawsuit and people have already filed against them. So it's really good that this information is brought to you and landed on this video because you may have went to this school and you did not know that your school was under this lawsuit and that people are using this lawsuit to their advantage and getting student loans deleted from their credit report. So helpful tips. This is also for co-signers. So if you were misled as well as a co-signer, I would sign up and apply for the BDAR application. If you are found partially eligible, all your loans will be forgiven within that school. If you can't find a supporting reason, use case laws, like I said, from previous cases and see what documents were used in that discovery and that reason for that lawsuit being filed. Okay, I suggest anyone file the application and see your outcome. I mean, it's either going to be approved or denied. Okay, most schools have misled during this time, so it's really good that you just look up your school and check if they have any lawsuits. If your student loans are paid and they're already closed, don't try to do this, because if they do delete them, your payment history will be deleted and your credit age will decrease. So even though your student loans are deleted, this will actually harm your credit, because all that history is removed from your credit history. So if your student loans are already paid, or you have one or two payments on that, just make the payments. I wouldn't worry about it. Okay, but if you are behind on your payments, you can do a income-based repayment, which is an IBR, and you can qualify for $0 payments. Hey, have you heard about the Charge Off and Collection Express Removal Guide that I have available? A step-by-step guide to remove negative charge-offs and collections from your credit report rapidly. These steps are easy and you don't need a credit repair company to do this. It's all step-by-step that you can do on your own. Check it out. It's 50% off right now. You don't want to miss out at designersoapbox.com, or you can check the pinned comment or link in the description below to find that link. Make sure you check it out. It's 50% off right now, guys. Don't miss out. Hurry, hurry. Hi everyone, it's Designer Soapbox. I just wanted to make this video to guys let you know that I am having a 50% off sale for 72 hours. Yes, a 50% off sale on the 24-hour express inquiry removal guide and also the late payment removal guide. So just head down to the description or to the pinned comments and click the link and get your 50% off. Remember, this inquiry removal will help you remove hard inquiries from your credit report within 24 hours. And then the late payment guide will help you remove your late payments very fast, super fast actually. If you're tired of disputing your late payments, waiting 30 to 45 days, this is a quicker method of getting these late payments removed. So if you guys enjoyed a lot of my content, I talk about this in my videos. However, I have this in an ebook. I'm doing 50% off for you guys. If you missed the 60% off sale, I'm doing one for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. One for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Don't forget to add me on Instagram at Designer Soapbox. And don't forget to check out those ebooks that we got on sale, honey, at designersoapbox.com, where you remove your hard inquiries, late payments, collections, and more. So make sure you check that out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget, guys, I love you all. Bye.